So while that first coat is drying, let's talk about the EnviroKlenz. This little unassuming unit is a lean mean filtration machine, composed of a high flow blower and proprietary dual filtration technology, including a hospital grade HEPA filter. Now what makes this thing a beast is its ability to capture and remove volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, such as the ones given off by paints and finishes as they dry. Now this isn't the first time I brought up the importance of air quality, which is why I think having a unit like this in your shop is essential. What's even more important is what this air filter can do inside your home for you and your family. As the unit runs, it's actually cleaning the air, removing particles, chemicals, and even odors. So if, for example, someone in your family has allergies, this would be a great solution for that. I recently painted the nursery in our house, and afterwards I ran the unit for 3 days on high. Sure enough, after those 3 days, the air seemed noticeably cleaner, but most importantly, there was zero paint smell. That new paint smell, or that new carpet smell, is really just chemicals and VOCs, and this does a great job at handling that. So if you'd like to learn more, head over to the EnviroKlenz website.